Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is week 12, I think. I have 32 miles on the schedule for the week and I just finished 5. It is 48 degrees and I even finished my run before it was too dark to film. Wade, I'm not sure if he's gonna get his run in this afternoon or if it's gonna be tomorrow with me. He's working late, so we'll see. And yeah, I'm super excited because the 2 half marathons that I've ever trained for, 30 miles in a week was like max. So that was around the taper where you started tapering. So I'm really excited to push my body. I really feel like I can do it. This training season's going really well. My legs feel really good today. I know last week I had to go 3 miles short because I wasn't feeling it and just a lot of things was happening, but my legs feel really good. I've been resting them, foam rolling them, and my head feels good, my lungs feel good. Yeah, so I'm super excited for this week. I think it's gonna be a good one.
Oh man, well, it definitely is like the coldest day that I've ran in forever, but I liked it. It felt really good. Not cold at the moment. Just cranked out 3 miles. Oh, after being off all day, I really didn't do anything at house, so I was a bit not loose. Samantha's still running. She's running 6 miles today, so we'll be out here a little bit longer, but pretty happy with my 3 miles. Yay me.
Okay, just finished my 6-mile run. Woo! I'm ready to be done. My hands are freezing cold and I actually had to use the bathroom for the last 2 miles. So I'm trying to get home, but it was a nice run for me today. Again, my lungs, my head, my legs, everything felt great. So, yeah, this is the kind of weather I like to run in, but I want to pull my gloves out, but I know as soon as I do, it's gonna be 80 degrees next week. So I just completed 7 miles and I kept them all easy except the last 2. So I had just at a 10-minute pace on mile 6 and mile 7. I had a 9:24 pace, but the rest was all closer to 12-minute paces. Whew. Honestly, ran so nicely up until mile 4.5. I started getting in my head. I don't know. Yeah, running is just, it's mostly my head, not so much the physical aspect of it. For most people, I feel like that's what they say. It's like 20% physical and 80% mental, and that is exactly what I felt on those last 3 miles. That's why I just crunk the last 2 out, just because I wanted to get out of my head and get done with my run for the day. It was already dark and it was just so, it got boring, I guess. It's just, my runs have been so boring lately, but the high when I get done reminds me every single time of why I put myself in these situations like this. I feel so good. So I will have tomorrow off and I will be back at it Saturday. It has been a crazy Saturday, but I came out here last minute to get a run in. Ended up doing tomorrow's run, which is 5 miles. Today I have a 9-mile long run to do and I didn't have enough time today, so I'm gonna do it first thing in the morning.
Wow. Was not wanting to run today, but rocked out 4 miles, so I'm pretty happy. Samantha's still running behind me. She's got an amazing 9 miles to run today. But I felt really good. I felt like I can continue to run, but unfortunately I've got to work today, so I needed to cut it short now so that I can go back and get ready for work. But I'm happy because I haven't ran much this week, So to come out here and to be able to run 4 miles and feel really good about it gives me confidence that I'm on pace to be able to run this half marathon coming up in over a month. Not much longer than a month. So anyways, gotta go to work now.
I just finished a 9-mile run, my long run that I was supposed to do yesterday. I've got it done. That means this week is complete. Wade got his run. He was already done around 4 miles, so he's been gone for a while. It is bright and sunny and it's so beautiful. I know we started the day off with 52 degrees. I don't know what it is at this current time, but I feel great. Fall leaves are everywhere. People are just barely getting out. It's been such a good morning to run, and I didn't solely run that track. I just really couldn't mentally. But yeah, it's done. This week is done. 12 weeks is done. We have 6 weeks left of training, or 6 weeks until the half. Super excited about it. Thank you guys for following along, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.